Movement and why cinematography needs it. This is my second favorite section and I'm pretty pumped about it. Photo and video are different for one simple reason. Movement. It ain't called motion pictures for nothing. So the more you move, the more interest and realism you add to your shot. Next to shot comp, movement is by far my favorite part about cinematography because I love to shoot travel videos and music videos and things that involve a lot of movement. Movement isn't just about adding flair and style. It's also used to help tell a story and take your viewer from scene to scene as seamlessly as possible. It doesn't matter if you're shooting a scripted short film with characters and a plot, or if you're just shooting a recap of your vacation. Everything requires movement to help tell the story. In this section, we're going to be talking about all the different types of movement, when to use them, why to use them. We're also going to be talking about stabilized versus handheld footage. This is good stuff.